What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be breaking down the two signal alerts that I sent out today in the Telegram group. Awesome day. Right now, we are on a 14-0 win streak, 14 back-to-back straight wins, no losses, pushing hard day in and day out. We sent two signal alerts today. NAS 100, all three take profit smash, and then US 30, all three take profit smashed. I walked out of today's trade today with gains of $12,690. Could have been a much bigger day for me. Once again, I broke patience. Easily could have been a $35,000 day, but that's okay. Nobody goes broke taking profits. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down all the trades, signals, alerts, as well as showing you members making profits today off the same alerts and signals that we sent out today in the Telegram group. So, I've mentioned over and over again, it does not matter on your account size. You can have a small account, you can have a large account. At the end of the day, everybody always makes money off the signals, alerts that I put out and provide. So, NAS 100, right, US 30, let's talk about the signals, alerts. You can see right here in the Telegram that I sent them out to the team, right? So, these are obviously forwarded from my VIP channel. But you could see that the NAS 100 alert to the team was 14734.52. Ultimately, what we wanted to see this one basically do is hold this zone, push up towards our entry, right? And then hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. We want to see a nice little squeeze up because we had this massive sell-off, right? That was obviously NAS 100. US 30 signal alert was very similar, right? US 30 was very similar. We put the signal alert to buy at 33,260.49. With this one, basically same exact thing, guys, right? We had a big massive sell-off, looking for it to hold that zone. We had our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. And you could see exactly what US 30 did. US 30 ripped all the way up, hit that take profit 3 line, as well as NAS 100. You could see right here, hit our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. All three take profits smashed. Just smashed each and every single one of them, over 1,000 pips today. And as always, the members show their profit, show their success. Today, the date is obviously October 3rd, so you guys can see right here that this is real members setting their alerts on the day right after we made the trade. So this particular member here made 120 bucks, right? Again, guys, it does not matter your account size. You can take small lots. Perfect example, right? This member here took 0.02 lots. 0.02, and they made 80 fucking dollars. $80 just off one signal, one alert. Now, to be very transparent and be even more blunt, open, and honest, to join my fucking signals group was, I repeat, was $59 a month. So this member right here basically made enough profit to cover the next 2 months, right? Next 2 months. Now, it's simple math, guys. If you come every single day and just make $80, just $80 off one of my alerts, you're gonna have an easy 400 bucks a week, 4 weeks a month. That's an easy $1,600, right? $1,600 a month just trading Forex right from your cell phone, right off my alert signals. Easy money. But this is just one member. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Anywhere members making, this member here made $90. This member here made $516 profit. This member made $1,800. This member made small profit, $14. That's all right. This member here made $48 in profit. This member here made $783 in profit. Actually, right there, no, $394 in 20 minutes. This member here made $450, $82. The list just goes on and 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 on. Actually, this member here made $1,200. No, yeah, $1,200. This member here made $121. This member here made like $200. This member here made $800. Oh, look at that. Thank you, brother. I got you, brother. I got you, homie. $1,500. So, again, find me somebody else on YouTube that is making videos like this every single day. Find me somebody on YouTube making these videos every day, showing you the fucking signals, showing you the alerts, showing you members making real profit. You find me that person. Please find me that person that shows you the signal, shows you the alert, shows you the chart, explains to you what I wanted the trade to do, right? At the end of the day, it's not about me making money. It's about you guys making money, right? I'm already on the money train, cruising with biscuit wheels. We're going, right? Now it's a matter of who wants to jump on board, right? So again, At the end of the day, I want you guys to learn, earn, and all get rich together, right? When you guys make money, it makes me happy. When I tell everyone, right? When I put the signal alert out there, and she makes a boom, a nice beautiful move to the upside or downside, depending what the trade is. And I know for a fact that everyone just made money. It makes me so happy when everyone just sends me screenshot after screenshot after screenshot after screenshot after screenshot of them basically getting that profit, right? Because they're using that profit for different things in their life, whether it's for their kids, for their girlfriend, husband, boyfriend, whatever. That's what I like to see, right? So it gives me motivation to keep making these videos and keep providing tons and tons of education for you guys here on YouTube. So let's talk about the trade. What did we want to see it do today? Right, so obviously NAS 100. Look back on yesterday's YouTube video, right? We talked about that previous signal alert yesterday about holding that zone, right? Look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. Look what happened today. Let's just move it over. You see it? Do you spot the difference? Look at that. Or do you not see the difference? Look, boom. Let's zoom out a little bit more. You could see how yesterday we were watching it to hold that zone, push up, right? And look how, boom, it came and hit that same fucking zone. And then nice, beautiful push to the upside. No way, absolutely no way we were looking to sell this. Now, tomorrow's Wednesday. Potentially we'll see what the market does tomorrow. Wednesdays, obviously, you guys know it's always a bitch, but we will see what the market does tomorrow. Now, US 30, right? Let's go to US 30. US 30, very, very similar. Extend it over. Boop, look at that. Look at that zone right there, right? We basically came down, bounced off that zone, nice little push up, pull back a little bit, nice little push up before she dropped, try to come back down, but then she pushed up. So today, obviously pre-market, we had push up, we were basically consolidating, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, holding that zone, looking for a nice little pop up. Essentially, the bigger the squeeze, the bigger the move. Would have been nice to maybe get like a little bit more of a pop with this one. A little bit more of a pop. Yeah, potentially, but we take what the market gives us. So, nonetheless, awesome day today. Both signals, both alerts provided tons of pips, profit, money, you name it. We crushed it day in and day out. This is still warm up, guys. This is still warm up. Practice, training, preseason, whatever you want to call it. But for the next upcoming small account flip, we are growing this $300 bitch to $1 million. You guys can see it right here. I mean, the signals, alerts, it doesn't matter your account size. I got members here making profit every single day. Even with point, look, this is a perfect example, a perfect example. If this member right here has a $300 account, right, $300 account, they already made $119 in profit today. And look, you can see they're scaling that up, right? 0.2 lots, 0.02, 0.03. Now tomorrow, they essentially will want to go 0.04. If they make profit, then boom, they go to 0.05. They make profit, go to 0.06. Make profit, go to 0.07. But that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully helps and educates you guys in some shape or form. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys ever decide you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Click that very first link below this YouTube video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. And remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.